Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to check your report violations that you submitted to Instagram, either being for a post, comment against a user or whatever. It comes a time in everybody that a certain comment offends them or it might be deemed inappropriate overall of a sexual nature or something considered with underage people, something racial, or just in general something that goes against Instagram's terms and services. And you might want to report that comment, post, or person, but most of the time it goes into limbo and you don't know if your actions actually have any consequences. For example, for the reported person, has Instagram actually done something? Well, there's an easy way to check that. What you must do is click on the top, sorry, not the top, but the bottom where your profile is. Then click on the top now, right? And click on settings. Once you've done that, click on help and click on support requests. And here you can see the reports that you've made and the violations that you submitted. Oh, from here, Instagram will keep a query of all the violations and reports that you've submitted, and it will actually update them here and tell you if they have taken any actions against somebody. So it's a nice way to check how Instagram is actually performing their duties for keeping everything safe and moderated. And from here, you can check every single thing that you submitted and to have actually updates depending on what stage they're on. So that's a good way to track the progress. Hope this helped. See you next time, and like and subscribe if this helped you. Have a nice day.